box bracket 2 plus middle bracket or curly bracket 5 divided 5, then smaller bracket 5 plus 3, all brackets closed. So here we have three kinds of bracket. This is called box bracket or the bigger bracket. This is the curly bracket or the middle bracket, and this is the smaller bracket or parenthesis. Now we have to solve this as per certain order, and it's decided by this mnemonic called PEMDAS. We first solve parenthesis, then exponents, orders, indices, roots, then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can also follow PEDMAS, which is the same rule. P is for parenthesis, E is for exponent, D for division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. You will notice that in PEMDAS, M is written first and then we have D, while in PEDMAS, D is written first and then we have M. So which operation to do first, multiplication or division? And will there be any difference if we don't follow this order? What happens when you follow PEMDAS and you do multiplication first? Now let's solve this question and understand this. So as per this order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, and in parenthesis also we have to first solve this smaller bracket, this bracket. Then we solve the curly bracket, and then at last we solve the box bracket. And within brackets also you have to follow this order of operation. So let's start writing all other operations as it is. 2 plus 5 divided 5. Now in the smaller bracket we have 5 plus 3. So we add the numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8, and when we are done with the operation, we remove the bracket. Once you remove the bracket, and if there is no sign here, it means we have multiplication here. So we write multiplication and then 8. Then the smaller bracket is removed, curly bracket is left, then close the brackets. Now if you follow PEMDAS, then you have multiplication first. So you will do multiplication first. It will be 5 divided 5 times 8 is 40, then 5 divided 40, and then 5 divided 40 in the next step. So 2 plus 5 divided 40 means 1 upon 8 or 5 upon 40. Divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So it will be 1 upon 8. So we can write here 2 plus 1 upon 8. The operation is done. We can remove the curly bracket. Now we can add the fractions here. We can write 1 in the denominator when there is no denominator. LCD will be 8. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1 or 17 upon 8. So this will be the answer if you do multiplication first. What if you do division first? In that case, till here we will have the same result. We will do this smaller bracket first. Now we have to do division first. So it will be 2 plus 5 divided 5 is 1, and then 1 times 8, then 2 plus 1 times 8 is 8. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. So when you do division first, consider you are following PEDMAS, then you are getting 10 as your answer. But when you are following PEMDAS and you are doing multiplication first, you are getting 17 upon 8 as your answer. So what is the correct answer and why we have different answers? It's because here multiplication, division, they are reciprocal actions, and because of this we group them together. They have equal priority and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So writing in this order doesn't mean that multiplication has any precedence over division, or if you follow PEDMAS in which D is written first, it does not mean that division has any precedence over multiplication. So we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now if you follow PEMDAS, and the rule is written like this: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction is also grouped together because they are also reciprocal action. Reciprocal action means when you divide a number, for example 4 divided 2 means 4 is multiplied to 1 upon 2. So division is nothing but the reverse of multiplication. Same goes for addition and subtraction also. That's why they are also grouped together, and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. And this order you have to follow in the brackets also. So here we will write other operations as it is: 2 plus, then 5 divided 5, then you remove the bracket times 3. Now from left to right there is division. Always remember that this parenthesis will take precedence. You have to solve parenthesis first. So once we remove this smaller parenthesis, and then we are to the curly bracket. Within bracket also follow this left to right rule and this order of operation. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Sorry, this is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 1 times 8, then bracket. Then again 2 plus 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. You can remove the bracket. So 10 will be the correct answer and not 17 upon 8. Whether you follow PEMDAS or PEDMAS, if you follow this left to right rule, you will get the same answer. How many of you got the correct answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.